Hello student, my name is Anil. So in last video we discussed about ionic bond. So today's topic is covalent bond. So covalent bond होती क्या है? कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड जो बनता है वो बनेगा दो एटम्स के बीच में। ये एटम क्या हो सकते हैं? दिस एटम कैन बी सेम और डिफरेंट। जो बॉन्ड बनेगा दो एटम्स के बीच में, वो बॉन्ड जो बनेगा वो बनना चाहिए म्यूचुअल शेयरिंग से। ओके, मीन्स जिसमें दोनों ही एटम कंट्रीब्यूट करें अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन, उससे जो म्यूचुअल शेयरिंग से जो बॉन्ड बनेगा उस बॉन्ड को हम क्या कहेंगे? कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड कहेंगे। अब जो कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड होते हैं वो हमारे सिंगल बॉन्ड मिलेंगे, डबल बनेंगे और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड बनेंगे। ओके, सिंगल बॉन्ड, डबल बॉन्ड and triple bond. So let's discuss some examples of single, double and triple bond in which we have same or different atoms. So first start with the homoatomic molecules. Homoatomic molecules means both the atoms are same. Both two atoms are same. For example, we have hydrogen with one valence electron and another hydrogen with one valence electron. तो हाइड्रोजन क्या करेगा? एक ये हाइड्रोजन अपना डुप्लेट कंप्लीट करेगा, ये हाइड्रोजन क्या करेगा? फिर अपना डुप्लेट कंप्लीट करेगा। ओके, इस तरह से हमारा क्या बना? हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल बनता है। ओके, तो ये जो एटम हुए हैं यहाँ पर क्या हुई है? इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की शेयरिंग। यहाँ पर क्या हुई है? शेयरिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स। उन दो इलेक्ट्रॉन की शेयरिंग से एक सिंगल बॉन्ड बनेगा। याद रखना, जब एक सिंगल बॉन्ड बनेगा तो वो दो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की शेयरिंग से बनेगा। ओके, नाउ लेट्स गिव एग्जांपल इन व्हिच वी हैव डबल बॉन्ड. Let's take example of oxygen atom. Oxygen atomic number is 8, so 2 6, so 6 is the valence electron, so we have 6 dot here, 6 dot यूज करेंगे। लेविस डॉट स्ट्रक्चर हमने यूज किया है। नाउ oxygen will complete its octet and this oxygen will complete its octet. Now you see here there is a sharing of 4 electrons. So 4 electrons से क्या बनेगा? ऑक्सीजन के बीच में डबल बॉन्ड बनेगा। तो हम होमोएटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल्स ले रहे हैं, मीन्स बोथ द एटम्स आर सेम। नाउ फॉर द ट्रिपल बॉन्ड वी टेक नाइट्रोजन एटम्स. In nitrogen atoms we have 5 valence electrons denoted by the 5 dots. So this nitrogen will complete octet and this also will complete octet. Now you see this is sharing. In this sharing there are 6 electrons involved. So now nitrogen have triple bond. Now we have discussed single, double and triple bond in homoatomic molecule. Now come to the heteroatomic molecules. Heteroatomic molecules. Hetero means different. Atoms. Okay, home means same. Now we have example of carbon in which 4 valence electrons are there, and then we have 4 hydrogens here. Okay, then hydrogens have completed its duplet. Now carbon will complete its octet. Now you can see we have carbon and hydrogen single bond. All the hydrogen form single bond with the carbon, and we have two different atoms here, carbon and hydrogen, so it's a heteroatomic molecule. So like this we can take example of double bond also, in which we have two carbon atoms and we have two hydrogen atom on each carbon atom. So each hydrogen atom have one valence electron and carbon have 4. So now let's complete first duplet of hydrogen. Now complete octet of this carbon. This carbon have, now you see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So sharing of electron with another carbon and hydrogen, this carbon will complete its octet. In the same manner, this carbon will take electrons from hydrogen and carbon to complete its octet. So now you can see here 4 electrons used in making bond. So we have carbon-carbon double bond and single bond with the hydrogen. So this is another example of carbon-carbon double bond. Now come to the triple bond one. So we have two carbon having one hydrogen each. So carbon valence electrons are 4. Okay, first of all we complete the duplet of hydrogen. Let's complete the duplet of hydrogen. Then this carbon having 1 2 3 4 5 electron. Now it will share 3 with the another carbon to complete its octet. In the same manner, this carbon will take these 3 electrons from another carbon to complete its octet. Then you can see here there are 6 electrons using making bond. So 6 electrons are used in sharing with carbon. So carbon-carbon triple bond. So here we have given example of homoatomic molecules with single bond, double bond and triple bond, heteromolecules with single, double and triple bond. Now we will take another example. We have water. In water we can see that we have oxygen central metal atom, and oxygen have 6 valence electron. Now complete duplet of hydrogen and oxygen will complete its octet. Now you see this is sharing of electrons. Now you can see both hydrogen have single bond with the oxygen. But here one thing we have to notice, that these electrons are not used in making bond. These electrons are not used in making bonds, so these electrons are not known as lone pair of electron. So these are also lone pair of electrons. So out of the valence electron, those electrons used in making bond, and rest electrons which are left unbound electrons, known as lone pair of electrons. Okay, so this is the formation of covalent bond, in which we have given different examples